Mm. Do you want to know how to make these delicious jalapeno poppers? Stick around because I'm going to show you. Hi there, Prairie Plant Girl here. The other day I made some delicious jalapeno poppers with some of the wonderful jalapenos I've harvested from my garden. These poppers are crispy and full of flavor, so keep watching to learn how I make them. First, you'll need to prepare your peppers and filling. I'll put the full ingredients in the description. Cut your peppers in half and remove the seeds and membrane. You may want to use gloves for this part. Jalapeno oils can burn, so be careful to avoid touching your face while you do this. I like to leave the stems on, but you can remove them if you prefer. Next, mix together equal parts cream cheese and cheddar with bacon bits and chili powder. Use this cheese mixture to fill your jalapeno halves. I like to mound the filling up a bit. Depending on how big your peppers are, you may have extra filling. Grab more peppers and stuff them full of the goodness, or save it to use as a yummy cheese ball. After they are filled, you need to get that crunchy coating started. Prep shallow dishes with milk, flour, and breadcrumbs. Dip a stuffed jalapeno half into the milk and then coat it with flour. It is helpful to keep one hand for the wet and one for dry when you're doing this step. Set the floured jalapenos on a tray to rest for 10 minutes. And while they are resting, set up a deep pan with oil for frying. Then take each jalapeno and dip it into the milk and then into the breadcrumbs. Again, it works best to keep one hand wet and one for dry. And after they all have a crumb coating, dip them into the milk and breadcrumbs once more. This second coating really ups the crunch factor and helps contain the cheese in the next step. Next, heat your oil to about 370 degrees Fahrenheit. If a pinch of flour sizzles in the oil, it's probably hot enough. Now it's time to fry these delicious guys and get them all brown and crunchy on the outside and warm and melty in the middle. Carefully place a few peppers at a time into the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, turning about halfway through cooking. Remove them from the oil and set on paper towels to drain. After they've sat on the toweling for a minute, serve them with your favorite dip. I like a mixture of ranch and salsa. I've heard you can freeze these. Never tried that before. So I'm going to be sticking mine in the freezer. I'll have to eat a few more, of course, first. And then I'll pull some out, and I've heard you just stick them under the broiler for a couple of minutes, and they come right back to this nice crispy texture. So definitely something I'm going to be trying, because I'd love to be able to enjoy these nice, delicious jalapeno poppers all winter long. So if you've enjoyed this recipe of what to do with your jalapenos or other peppers that you've harvested from your garden, check out some of my other pepper harvesting and preserving videos. I'll leave the link in the description down below. They're so good. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.